Hi there. The first 5 presentations in this series should have helped you to discover that there really are legal ways to protect your assets and that you really can own nothing and control everything. Just how one may do this legally has been very much hidden in the past. Otherwise, everyone would be legally avoiding excessive taxes and would be invulnerable to frivolous lawsuits. In the past, many providers of asset protection entities have touted bank secrecy as the solution. When you look at the issues of secrecy and privacy with objectivity, it becomes obvious that secrecy is not the answer. The laws, even in Panama and Switzerland, do not protect secrecy. The laws protect the right to privacy, as in, quote, the right to be secure in your person, property, and papers, unless someone can show cause that they have a right to violate your privacy. When a person is audited by the IRS, or is sued in any lawsuit, even a frivolous lawsuit, all privacy evaporates immediately. In a large part, protecting your privacy must include keeping all of your actions within the law and keeping yourself free of obligations to make reports to the IRS. There really are a few peaceful and legal solutions left. You're in the process of learning how to legally pay minimum taxes without the need for secrecy. Be secure against frivolous lawsuits and, at the same time, preserve your privacy, all while staying 100% within the law. Are there negative connotations to secrecy? Many. Can you think of any negative connotations regarding right to privacy? I can't. In fact, prudent people are usually quite well respected. Many businesses that are engaged in offshore asset protection make claims and assertions regarding bank secrecy that is available in tax haven jurisdictions. In the modern world of computerized snooping, it is most prudent to think that there is nothing that is secret in the entire world. You can't hide anything from the government's computers. It's a fallacy to depend upon secrecy to cover one's actions when it is more peaceful to depend upon staying within the law where your right to privacy can protect you. There's an ancient proverb that says, "The wicked flee when no one gives chase." When one takes precautions in advance to hide something, this is called, in legal terms, mens rea, and can be used for drawing an inference of criminal intent. To learn more about mens rea, watch the movie Legally Blonde. It's funny, too. You'll enjoy yourself. When you break the law and depend on secrecy to protect you from consequences, the scam artist that helps you break the law has you in his power. How can you reveal your own secrets by taking a scammer to court for stealing from you what you're trying to hide? You see the position that you put yourself in? There's no way out. Without using secrecy, your tax and lawsuit strategy is to always remain within the law, never waive your right to anything, or volunteer any information. The burden of proof remains with any accuser. When someone signs an affidavit alleging that you have violated the law, they are consenting to being sued. When they lose their case because you're completely legal, then you can sue for false accusations and a violation of your right to privacy. You can sleep well every night. The ones who harass you will have the sleepless nights. When you use the right entities, all income can be declared, every tax return filed honestly and on time, and there are still only minimum taxes due. A bonus is that frivolous lawsuit lawyers will leave you alone and go pick on somebody that's easy. To protect your assets, you must use the right combination of legal entities, filed in the right order, and precisely worded with the correct details. Details make the difference. The Private Interest Foundation and Corporation Sole in combination is perfect for protecting private assets, but there are other combinations of entities that can protect the resources of even very, very large companies. You read about it every day. All they do is they make money for 3 years, then they declare a paper loss and recapture all that they paid in over the first 3 years. But that's the way they do it. There's another way that's even simpler, and anybody can do it that knows how. It seems that the IRS and frivolous lawsuit lawyers are always looking for people who are keeping secrets, and then they go fishing for evidence. Using the safe asset protection methods, there are no secrets. You just keep your private life private and well separated from your business life. You protect your business life through the business protection. Discover the joys of keeping your private financial affairs legal and private, and not have to worry about anyone digging up any secrets. When you obey the law, you can use the law to protect your privacy. The law is not available for lawbreakers. In legal terms, it's called the unclean hands doctrine. When you obey the law, you do not have to depend upon secrecy to protect you from the law. The solution, therefore, is to find someone who will help you obey the law in such a manner that you can protect your privacy and your assets without having to resort to red flagging everything by depending upon secrecy. The summary of the benefits of the Private Interest Foundation with a corporation sole is it frees your time for making money or enjoying life. When written correctly, you're kept aware of all details of the management of the PIF and the corporation sole. When written correctly, you retain 100% control over the assets wherever they are in the world. When written correctly, you have zero requirements to make reports to the IRS on the activities or money being held or moved by the PIF, either to or from the corporation sole. It completely eliminates delay and cost of probate on all money and property either held by the PIF or by the corporation sole. You can make more money, save more money, and have more money to give to your grandchildren. If you have a thirst for knowledge about safe asset protection, please visit our website. There's an English language copy of Panama Law Number 25 of 1995, so you can discover for yourself why this asset protection and estate planning tool is among the very best in the world at any price. Thank you for your interest in safe asset protection. Contact us today for an appointment for a brighter future. Again, thank you.